So welcome to Tech Help guys. So today I'm going to show you how to set up your account on Wise. So first, make sure that you have your Wise application in your phone. Next, open it and then click Get Started. Next, register and then enter your email address. And after that, just hit Continue. Next, what kind of account would you like? You could select whatever choice apply to you. In my case, I'll just use it as personal account. And next, click what country you're in, and you can just see what you can do with Wise or you cannot. And then you need to verify your phone number with the code. Type in your number, and then the Wise will text you the code. Just log it in and create your password. Next, set up passcode and then confirm passcode and close. I just want to remind you guys that Wise will not send code to TM and Globe numbers. So yeah, there's that. Now just fill out the things that you need to fill out and tell us about yourself, and then enter your address and confirm and continue. So next, choose your currency. If you want to get a Wise card, then just click that or click maybe later. So basically that is all guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quick tips and tutorial.